Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop update permanently in Windows 11. First step is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup Type to Disabled, stop the service, click Apply, click OK. Second step is, click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Connected Network, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. Turn on metered connection. Third step is type bedi.msc in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Update, click and expand Manage and User Experience. Open Configure Automatic Updates. Select Enabled. Select Auto Download and Notify for Install, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.